Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. Today I want to tell you a bit about what is expected in um, the assignment that you'll be submitting at the end of the week. For starters, you want to make sure that you have 3 paragraphs and make sure you avoid review articles. So what I mean by quantitative research articles, I don't want a whole review article because that's technically not quantitative. You also want to steer clear of meta-analyses. If you see systematic review meta-analysis, um, that's considered a quantitative study, but a bit more difficult to grasp at your stage. So, in summary, what I would like is 3 paragraphs. What I started this off with, and then in the original paragraph you have a summary, um, and then analysis of the research article, and then application. And the application is something that people um, have difficulty with. One thing that I tell students is that don't be afraid to use I or my study. In fact, it's actually favorable to be asking to be asking questions like that as to how it applies to your research. And so a little bit more about this summary. I want to make sure that you summarize all the critical parts of the quantitative study. The analysis is a bit more complicated in terms of thinking about it. In terms of analysis, was the sample size enough? Was the could the data be presented in a different way? Or do the visuals stand alone, or did it need more explanation? So in summary, again, you're writing 3 paragraph summary, analysis, and application. Make sure it's a quantitative study, and then finally make sure that the application is actually relevant to you. And that's all, folks. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Thank you for listening.